Today we're making a vanilla almond peanut butter shake. We're trying to go healthier. Of course, a banana has a lot of sugar. It's one of the highest fruits when it comes to sugar content. I believe one banana is about 14 grams of sugar, and carbs are about 27 grams. But when you consider the alternative, driving through to get ice cream or an ice cream shop, we're ordering from your local fast food. Well, there you have it. And almond vanilla milk that we're using, it has a lot of sugar too, 15 grams. So when we looked at the difference though in adding this versus that and compared to a shake we might get at the drive-thru, I know my husband likes Frosties, still much healthier and better. Now you could add avocado to this. I have for mine, but I'm making this for my husband and he prefers not to have avocado. We had these last night and he can believe how delicious they were. I already peeled my frozen banana. Big tip, when your bananas start to turn brown, I know this looks gross, but they're really not that gross. As you can see, that's not too brown. And these went at the same time. When these start to turn brown and we haven't gotten to them to eat them, I usually just throw them like this right into the freezer. And anyway, I just peeled one, put it in there. Your hands do get pretty cold, but they're really easy to peel. I usually start in here. And I just try to take away the first layer of the peel and a little bit deeper, you know, so that it might be more brown. But there might be a few brown spots like that, but overall they look pretty good. I'm gonna make enough for 2 of us. So I've already just now added the 2 cups of almond milk. I got this at Aldi's, you can get it anywhere. There's probably healthier brands. You can get it unsweetened or without vanilla. I am going to add a little more vanilla because I did last night and he really liked it. Just a dash. You can also get this at Aldi's, but at any store. I'm trying to remember where I bought this, but I'd heard about it from other bloggers or Instagrammers. This is an actual, they call it PB2, you can't really read it very well here. Has chocolate in it as well. It says some different things on it, but it's supposed to be better for you than actual jar of peanut butter, which I could see that. It's powdered. You can use, you know, what you think you might need. Easy to travel with. This would be good if you were taking your kids to, you know, Disney World or something, want to make a shake in your hotel, or want to make up something quick and couldn't refrigerate things or store things or whatnot. This would be a good alternative for traveling. But it is traditional peanut butter. Supposed to be 85% less fat calories. It says here total carbs are 6, sugars 3, cholesterol 0.01 mgs, fat 1, calories, I don't have my glasses on, looks like 45. I can link all these in the description below the video. This is my Ninja. I've had it a while. I taught my husband to getting it. It was on sale one Christmas. Comes with different size pitchers, even a small little container for just chopping up onions, vegetables, small things. And then you put this unit, which is the motor actually, it's plugged in, and it fits right on top here. And I've really liked it. I can just whip it out really quick and work on things. Of course, this has a little spout that opens and this comes off handle. I got this really cheap at Kohl's one year. I can't recall how much. I want to say only around like $35. It was on sale, so keep your eyes out. I'll look for it in a Kohl's link, but I'll also link an Amazon link. And we'd appreciate you using that link, because this is what I'm trying to do since I've had to stay home due to health issues. The last 10 years I had to stop teaching, and I'm just trying to learn blogging, vlogging, website design on my own when I'm home. I'd get a few dollars here and there basically, but to use my Amazon link would really help. But I'm just doing this because we liked it and thought it was a healthier way to have something sweet at night or as a dessert. So I've added 2 tablespoons of this, 2 cups of the almond. You could use coconut. We use coconut. In fact, I'll do another video of a chocolate coconut one shake we made the other night. It was delicious. So now I'll just do this. Hold your ears. I usually do it a couple times if I think the banana hasn't dissolved, or not dissolved, but broken down to a form we'd like in a shake. And that should be it. The more liquid you have, it helps your berries, your fruits dissolve better into the mixture, and it looks pretty good. You can see this has double blades on it, and then it's a little frothy, not too much. You could make it frothier if you wanted to add some other items, but so 1 banana, everything I use will give you about this much, 1 full drinking glass size, and pretty sweet. Don't really have to add any more to it. You probably could do half a banana. I did for mine. He likes as a little sweeter side at a whole banana, but you can just play with it, add different things. You could add more chocolate. You could add some strawberries, make it like a cherry banana, chocolate, raspberry, whatever you want. But we'll try to do the chocolate one next. Thanks.